So welcome students. In this video, let us try to understand the fact that every quadratic function represents a parabola. That is, if you have y is equal to some ax square plus bx plus c, or x is equal to ay square plus by plus c. So if you draw the graphs of these curves, you will get a parabola. So how am I sure about this? So let us try to do some derivations. So y is equal to, so can I write ax square plus bx plus c as a times x square plus b by a into x plus c by a. That is equal to a times x plus b by 2a whole square. So if you write x plus b by 2a whole square, you get x square plus 2x times b by 2a is b by a times x plus b square by 4a square. So plus c by a minus b square by 4a square. So this implies y is equal to a times x plus b by 2a whole square plus c minus b by 4a. If you multiply a here, you get plus c minus b square by 4a. So this implies, if you send both of them onto this side, y, so let us try to simplify this before. Y is equal to a times x plus b by 2a whole square plus 4ac minus b square is nothing but minus d by 4a. So the discriminant of this expression is b square minus 4ac. Here you have 4ac minus b square, which is minus d. So if you send this onto this side, you get y plus d by 4a is equal to a times x plus b by 2a whole square. So this implies x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to 1 by a times y plus d by 4a. So this function has been reduced to this form, which looks like x minus h whole square is equal to 4a times y minus k. So this is a shifted vertical parabola because the square is for x. The square is for x. Shifted vertical parabola whose vertex is minus b by 2a and minus d by 4a. Whose vertex is minus b by 2 and minus d by 4a, and whose lattice rectum is directly 1 by a. Whatever is the number before this y minus k is the lattice rectum. So 1 by a is the lattice rectum of this parabola. So these are the two things which you need to understand about the parabola. Y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. The important thing is that 1 by a represents the direct lattice rectum, and minus b by 2a minus d by 4a represents the vertex of the parabola. Similarly, we can reduce this also into shifted parabola equation. So if you take the second equation, it will look something like, instead of x, you'll have y. So y plus b by 2a whole square is equal to 1 by a times x plus d by 4. So this is a horizontal parabola because this looks like y square is equal to 4x with vertex as minus d by 4a and minus d by 2a. This is a horizontal parabola whose vertex is this, and lattice rectum is again equal to 1 by a. So this is more important than this because mostly you'll be asked about y is equal to x square plus bx plus c. Quadratic function. The graph of a quadratic function is a vertical parabola. Depending on whether a is positive or negative, it can be downward or upward. Vertex is minus b by 2a minus d by 4a. The lattice rectum is 1 by a. Thank you.